Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm a little huffing and puffing because I just got finished with the gym. I decided to change up a little bit this week. I usually go to the gym Monday through Friday, but I decided to go today, which is Sunday. So I went to church this morning and then I came on to the gym. Feel pretty good. And I'm going to tell you guys, that treadmill, if you put that thing on incline, I put it on the highest incline it have. That's a workout. I was actually huffing and puffing. I was like, oh my Lord. But anyway, yes, I finished my workout. So now I have the rest of the day to myself. I'm a little sleepy. I haven't had any breakfast, so I think I'm going to go home and make me some oatmeal and have me 2 boiled eggs. So that'll be breakfast. But I just wanted to come on and touch base with you. I did not get through to my fasting. I did one day. I don't know what it is about fasting now. I just be struggling. But I did lose weight, and I'll tell you about that on my Wednesday video. But like I said, I just want to come on and say, hey, we starting a new week, and I hope all is well. Okay, you guys, I'm back. My memory was full, so my phone cut off. But anyway, what I was trying to say was, or what I wanted to say was, I think I need to focus on my eating. I read somewhere, I saw somewhere where it's 80% of what you eat and 20% exercise. So for me, I'm exercising. I need to really focus on what I'm eating. So I did some food prepping today. Why I say today, y'all forgive me. I did some food prepping yesterday for the week. So I'll show you what I prepped. And other than that, I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to focus on what we're eating, or what I'm eating, I should say. But that's what we're going to do because, like I said, I'm already exercising. So I need to focus on what I'm eating better. So until next time, you guys, I hope you have a good week. And I will see you in the next one.